Good day, friends. My topic is about multiplication by 5, which is a simplified form of the one I uploaded earlier. The simplified form will help you focus on the process, a process I consider funny or unbelievable or simply a shocking technique. Like this 2486 times 5, for example. We start with 6, but we won't work with 6. We will work with its neighbor, which it has none. 6 is only used as reference. If we will go to the next number 8, we won't work with 8 either. We will work with its neighbor 6. Now let's try to solve this. So once again, you have to write 0 first, and then 2, 4, 8, 6, and then put a line under, then let's work. Now 6 is even, so take half of the neighbor, which it has none. Therefore, you just write down 0. 8 is even, so take half of the neighbor, which is 6. So this is 3. 4 is even, so half of 8 is 4. 2 is even, half of 4 is 2. 0 is even, half of 2 is 1. So the answer is 12,430. You can check that out. Now this is good for numbers which is composed of, or which are composed of even numbers, or multiplicand composed of even numbers. Now, what about if we have a multiplicand which is composed of odd numbers and even numbers? We have here 5 and 3. So, what shall we do? Now, we will multiply. But we will not write like this anymore. We have to save time, especially when you take an exam. So, save your time. Write down 0 before the first number, and then underline the number, and then solve. So 3 is odd. So take 5 plus half of the neighbor. It has no neighbor, so just write down 5. 6 is even, so take half of the neighbor 3. It is 1. 5 is odd again, so take 5 plus half of the neighbor. So 5 plus half of 6 is 8. 4 is even, so half of 5 is 2. 0 is even, half of 4 is 2. So the answer is 22,815. You can check that out. Now, suppose you will get a number like this. Do not get panic when you say that it is composed of 6 digits. But we can do it. As long as you remember the rules, there's no problem. And then to save time, just write down 0, and then underline it, and then solve. Okay. So 3 is odd. So 5 plus neighbor with it has none, which it has none. So this is 5. 2 is odd, so take half of 3, that is 1. 5 is, no, 2 is even, so take half of 3, which is 1. 5 is odd, so 5 plus half of 2, that would be 6. 8 is even, so take half of 5, which is 2. 4 is even, take half of 8, which is 4. 5 is odd, so 5 plus half of 4, that is 7. So 0 is even, so half of 5 is 2. So the answer is 2,742,615. See? Very simple and very fast. When you solve this, or when you multiply this number with 5 using the old tradition, it will take you time, and then it's probable also that you will get a mistake. Here you can easily check your answer, and it is fast. So even if in your exam you will see multiplicand composed of 10, 12, or so many numbers, don't get panic. Just remember the rules, and you can solve it with accuracy and fast. So, okay? More videos are coming, so please subscribe and share so others will also know this unbelievable technique. Thank you.